Hello everyone. Long time, so we are missing you all. Coming up with a very good Nakshi collection.
Namaste Adi, Praveen from Sri Balaji Jewelers, and with me my son
Hello everyone, how are you all?
Kunj from Sri Balaji Jewelers, and we welcome you all to another super duper dhamaka session of very classy lightweight jewelry. And now this lightweight is different from the previous lightweight Adi. So ఇది కొంచెం వేరే ఉంది. కొంచెం మీకు చెప్తారు ఈ జ్యువెలరీ ఎట్లా ఉందండి.
So these actually we have taken a concept of the regular Pachi harams that we do, like the ruby emerald seasoned harams. So we have brought down the weight by around 40 to 50% in each haram, jhumka, necklace, kanti. So a lot of very beautiful designs we have. We have the regular ones also and the others too. So both of them. So we'll showcase it today in our life.
So we are showcasing all that, and first of all, mana South India especially the tradition for gold is very good, and gold has been a best friend. మీరు చూస్తే ఒక 10 సంవత్సరాల్లో గోల్డ్ రేట్ ఏది ఉంది ఈ రోజు వేరే ఉందండి. సో మొన్న కూడా గోల్డ్ రేట్ తగ్గింది, మళ్ళీ ఇట్ వెంట్ అప్. సో టుడే యూ హ్యావ్ అ వెరీ క్లాసీ కలెక్షన్. హ్యావ్ అ లుక్. ద స్టాక్స్ ఆర్ ఫుల్ and you can always book them. Rush back to Balaji. Everything is hallmark 916 what we are selling, right? So transparency, honesty and integrity is what we sell. Rates are very competitive. So over to Kunj. Kunj, let us start today's beautiful jewelry.
So first we have this bridal set. In this we have very beautiful Lakshmi Bottu Mala, and on the top of that we have this very beautiful choker. So I want you all to guess the bridal set weight andi. General ga aithe 250 grams aithe regular undi sets ki.
So mostly you will find the Bottumala is around 120 grams, the chokers are around 50 grams, and the Butta వచ్చేసి total 200 grams easy అవుతుందండి ఈ టైప్. So 200 grams the bridal set we have really pulled down after doing a keto diet to the highest level, and you can see the make, you can see the Nakshi. We have done it very beautifully. The Butta also is a very different style like the square temple one. Right? Any guess what is the weight of the whole set? So a lot of people joining in. We are thankful to everybody for giving us a very super duper response. Any guess for the weight of the whole set? 120 grams. Kranti says. Rodin 85 grams. Okay.
So let me tell you, the whole bridal set we have done it in only the choker is coming to around 25 grams, the haram is coming to around 70 grams, and the jhumkas is coming to around 20 grams. So around 110 to 115 grams you have done the whole set, Andy.
Yeah, so the net weight is that, and it is very beautifully done, as you can see.
Next we have this bridal set in plain gold Nakshi work.
This is again very classy, and you can see the ముత్యాలు కూడా ఎట్లా స్టూడ్ అప్ ఉంది. సో టెంపుల్ డిజైన్ లో ఉంది ఇది, అండ్ వెరీ క్లాసీ. Kunj is showing you the buttas also that go along with that, and even these with the pearls. Kunj, I think even these match up.
I think these match up better. So this whole set, Andy, we are doing it very light ante very light, around 120 125 grams full set
With the buttas?
yeah
Wow.
Absolutely.
So long, short, butta kalpi 120 grams andi. So trying to pull down so that it becomes very pocket friendly, as well as andam ki andam undandi, and the budgeting is very profound and nice. Right? Let's move
next
ahead.
we have done 3 bridal sets, Andy, so we are showing you all of them. So this is also very beautiful. We have done all very different kinds. This is more of a U-shape haram.
So this today's ultralight collection is the other make, and it's not what we show every time. Even that one we will be doing it tomorrow. but this is the Nakshi Ultralight collection.
So this also we have done it very light, around 115 grams the whole set.
So అన్ని దాదాపు 100, 110, 100, 110 very beautifully done. So you can see for a bride.
Next we have this choker, around 25, 26 grams. Very
What?
very beautiful.
25, are you sure?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And then next we have this choker again. Very beautiful and grand. See the mangoes work andi kinda.
So the workmanship is nice, the weight is light. What more do people want? Quality is guaranteed. So all these things right there for you. You can always
This also we have done only in 5 tulas andi.
50 grams and look at the grace. Can you do a close up a little bit so that people can see the grandness of the set?
వెరీ 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 బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండి. ఇది కూడా మీరు చూస్తే 120 గ్రామ్స్ డిజైన్ అండి. పింట్రెస్ట్ నుంచి తీసుకొని వీ హావ్ వర్క్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్. సో 120 గ్రామ్స్ కి 50 గ్రామ్స్ లో చెప్తాను.
Okay, do you have something in 30-40 grams also?
Yes, 30
Long
40 grams
ones?
also long one we have done. So this one if you see Ram Parivar we have done, and this only 37 grams we have done andi.
37.
Yeah.
సో 37 గ్రామ్స్ అండి లాంగ్ సెట్. ఇంకేం కావాలండి ఒక లేడీకి వెన్ షీ వాంట్స్ టు పుట్ ఇన్ అండ్ లుక్ గ్రాండ్ అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇన్ 37 గ్రామ్స్.
And next ఇది 31 grams అండి.
సో దిస్ ఈస్ 31 యాజ్ యూ కెన్ సీ. అగైన్ వెరీ లైట్ వెయిట్. సో వీ విల్ జస్ట్ షో యూ అరౌండ్.
Next we have this semi long haram andi. I'll show you few semi long harams too, around 40 grams.
సో 40 గ్రామ్స్ లో అందం సూపర్ అండి మొత్తం నక్షి వర్క్ తోటి.
And then this is 35 grams, 34 grams.
35 grams again very light and so the production takes time and we have ample of stocks ready for you.
And this one is around 30 grams.
30 grams andi
And this is around 39-40 grams.
39-40 grams. And have you made small necklaces also?
Yeah, we have beautiful small necklaces too. So start off with this.
Okay, so again the Nakshi collection very lightweight you mean.
25 grams, yeah.
25,
Necklaces
26.
we are having starting from around 17-18 grams.
సో 18 గ్రామ్స్ అందం చూడండి మీరు. మీకు అందం ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ సూపర్ క్లాస్ అండి. అండ్ కంటీస్
Kantis అయితే we have a huge demand andi.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ కంటి? కొంచెం
This kanti is coming to around 26 grams andi.
సో 26 గ్రామ్లో మీరు చూడొచ్చండి ఎంత అందం ఉంది. ద మేక్ ద ఫీల్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్. సో వెరీ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్.
And then this kanti we are having it in only around 24 grams andi.
24 to 25 గ్రామ్స్ అండి. సో 2.5
Next is this
తులాలు.
kanti. Kantiలో we are having around 3-4 models andi, around 25 grams starting, 24-25 grams in this style.
సో ఆల్
And
దిస్
then
ఇస్
we have
న్యూ
these
అరైవల్స్
necklaces
ఎవ్రీథింగ్. యా.
around 19 grams andi ఇది కూడా.
సో 19 grams.
And then next we have this very beautiful concept andi.
ఓకే.
Very very beautiful concept.
So this is a conceptual necklace which we want to share with you.
So this if you see we have given backside look 3 pins here, so you can adjust it accordingly what you want to wear. So in the first pin if you are wearing you can wear it as a necklace andi.
ఓకే.
Necklace లాగా
సో
వేసుకోవచ్చు.
నెక్లెస్ లాగా వేసుకోవచ్చు. పైన వేసుకుంటే ఇంకా
Necklace లాగా వేసుకోవచ్చు ఇట్లా.
ఓకే.
And next if you want to wear it as a choker you have to put it in the last hook.
సో చోకర్ లాగా కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు. నెక్లెస్ వేసుకోవచ్చు, చోకర్ కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు. కింద చేస్తే చోకర్ అయిపోతుంది.
Choker. So bajuban choker two ways you can
సో
wear.
చేతి పట్టి లాగా కూడా వాడొచ్చు. సో ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఏ చోకర్, లైక్ ఏ చేతి పట్టి యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ అ నెక్లెస్.
Necklace.
వావ్.
So 3-in-1 concept we have done 3 necklaces.
3-in-1 you have 3 necklaces. And what is the weight? 30 grams.
And these necklaces we are doing it at around 23 grams we did andi.
సో 23 grams లో ఉందండి. వెరీ వెరీ లైట్. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అ బాజుబన్, యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ చోకర్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ నెక్లెస్.
Next this is Ram Parivar model in the same andi.
సో రామ్ పరివార్ కూడా సేమ్ అదే వెయిట్స్ 23-25 గ్రామ్స్ లో.
So 3 we have done. Actually we have got 5 but before live only 2 customers have taken today.
సో పుట్టిన ముందు పెళ్లి అయిపోతున్నాయండి. అందరు రెడీగా కటాకట్ అందరూ కాంటాక్ట్ చేసుకొని.
And next we have these bajubans. We have a huge demand for this.
why there is a demand? Is it very light? 10,
Yeah,
15,
we
20
are
grams?
having from starting from 10 grams అండి.
10 గ్రాములు అండి. అసలు ఆలోచిస్తే కూడా అసలు నాకు ఫోన్ చేస్తారు అందరూ, ఎట్లా చేస్తున్నారు ప్రవీణ్ భాయ్ ఆ వెయిట్లో అని. సో అదే అండి, కీటో డయట్ అగైన్. పొద్దున్న రాత్రి వీఆర్ రన్నింగ్ 10 kilometers ఎవ్రీ డే అండ్ ద ఐటమ్స్ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ లైటర్ అండ్ లైటర్.
సో ఓన్లీ 10 to 12 to 13 grams అండి. 10 to 15 grams లోపల అన్ని చోకర్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇది.
So you can see the make, the feel of the product, very beautifully done and very
And
classy.
can we see the reversible pendant ones?
Reversible first time we did, I think, right?
Yeah,
So
first
just
time.
can you? I'll just show you. So this is the way. So this turns around. One side is Lakshmi Devi, one side is fancy.
This comes heavy, right? Around 25-30 grams, is it?
This used to be heavy, but again seeing the demand, we brought it down to 14.5 grams.
Oh my god, 14.5 grams. Very, very pretty.
Yes.
Do you have any other model in this?
Yes, I think we have some more at present, and we can move ahead to the other things.
Next is we have this Vardhanam Kam Haram detachable pendant.
So these are the little heavy concepts, the Vardhanam come Haram come pendant, and
Around
we can customize it to go for a short necklace and a long necklace. 100 gram lo
10-11 tulas andi.
Yes.
And then we have this concept also in this. This is Vinayak Haram, which is Vardhanam Jada Haram.
So all these are
All
5-in-1 concepts mostly,
5-in-1 concept.
as you can see. And
And then this long haram also andi, we have done it in lightweight. Very, very light andi. Only 50 grams lo chesinaru aithe idi.
so very lightweight, and then we have buttas to go along, which are like 12 grams.
12 grams, 13 grams lo you will not find anywhere andi, these jhumkas.
So very lightweight, we have brought it for you. You can see the double jhumka, triple jhumka.
Double jhumka is coming to around 30 grams, is it?
No. Double jhumka again is just like 16 grams.
Wow andi, మీరు అందం చూడండి ఎట్లా ఉంది.
So we have a lot of collection. This shape, is it a new shape? Kunj? Can you show
Yeah, this is a triangle jhumka what we did.
So triangle. So it's the.
So we have these necklaces,
Then we
kantis, and then
we have chandbalis also.
Chandbalis as well. Yeah. Chandbalis అయితే very, very light we are doing andi.
10
Around
gram.
9 grams we have starting 8-9 grams.
So 9-10 లో ఉన్నాయండి ప్రస్తుతంగా అయితే. So you can see all the collection of the chandbalis. So we have a lot.
A little bigger Chandbalis. These big Chandbalis are also coming to around 12 grams andi ante.
Yeah, and then we have tikas.
Some tikas for the bridal sets, 5 grams, 6 grams, 4 grams atla. And then we have such lovely pendants andi. Around starting from 7-8 grams.
Tikas just showed there's a lot of demand for tikas. Can you just zoom on the tikas once? So these are what weight?
5 grams, 6 grams.
So tikas 5-6 గ్రాములు ఉన్నాయండి.
ఇది అయితే ఫస్ట్ టైం చేసినారు 3.5 grams అండి.
3.5 గ్రాములు పైన దానికి తూక కూడా వచ్చింది. అసలు ఒక డ్రీమ్ అండి. So
And some nail pendants here, very light.
Nail pendants, what is the weight?
Nail pendants is very beautifully we have done this with the Lakshmi Swarupam. So only around
11 grams.
11 grams andi.
So it's just 11 grams. It's
And this
done.
is coming to only 5 grams andi.
The single one is 5 grams, as you can see.
This is coming to around 10 grams.
And then we have some pendants to go
Very
along.
beautiful pendants. The pendants are around from 8 to 12 grams andi.
8 to 12 grams, and then you show the small
And then we have
necklaces.
some more small necklaces around 20-25 grams.
And do you have some bangles? Last time there was a big
we had
demand.
a huge demand in bangles too. We have done few very light bangles. So I'll show
People
you.
were asking about bangles. ఏందండి అసలు స్టాక్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి? And what is the weight of these bangles?
So initially we were doing these bangles in around 40-45 grams. So we have got it down to 28 grams andi.
Wow.
And with screw we are doing this.
So screw ఉంటే size ది కూడా there is no issue.
No
only.
issues.
So we have some more designs in that, as you can see.
Very, very beautiful. Lakshmi lo, peacock lo, mangoes lo. Lot of variety and few more buttas in plain gold for the plain gold harams.
So you can see the bridals again, and then all this is the latest collection. And after the video, you know what to do. Just ping us. We might take time of one day to respond, but if you are really keen, just transfer in advance. We assure you our prices are very competitive. Our gold is guaranteed. We are here since as good as 60 years now, and we are here to serve you religiously. If you don't like anything, you just tell us, we'll refund you 100%. So you can book with us just by the trust and take and reserve the beautiful things what we have made for you.
Thank you so much everyone. And the gold prices as well are a little lower, and it might go up in few days because the gold price has come down. So you can also book the gold rates for buying the jewelry as well.
Yes, so gold rates were 51,000, then they came down to 49,000, and suddenly there is a big jump in the market. It's crossed $1,800 per ounce, and 1,800 is a very strong level. So we see gold to again go up from here. So whatever it is, let us not speculate on gold, but it is always advisable to keep on buying little and add to the kitty. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.